Hello there. Welcome to another Queen's English accent training. Here is a gentle story read in the Queen's English accent. Read along with me. Ella sat by the window watching the rain fall softly. She held a warm cup of tea, humming her favorite song. The world felt quiet, calm, and perfect. It was her favorite kind of afternoon. Let's go through some highlighted phrases from the story. By the window. The rain. A warm cup of tea. The world. And finally, favorite kind of afternoon. And that is it. Thanks for listening. Remember to speak clearly, softly, and with elegance. Follow for more stories. Bye.